We live in a universe with limits, not just limits of size or age, but speed. No matter how powerful our engines become, how advanced our technology gets, or how far our imagination stretches, there's one cosmic rule that seems unbreakable. Nothing can go faster than the speed of light. But why? Why can't anything outrun it? And what happens if we try? Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental rules of physics, and exploring what the speed of light reveals about the very structure of space, time, and reality. Section 1. Energy, mass, and Einstein's big idea. Let's start with the basics. Einstein's theory of special relativity. You've probably heard this iconic equation. It tells us that mass is just concentrated energy. Even an object at rest contains energy, a lot of it. But what happens when that object starts moving? This equation describes the total energy of a moving object. Notice the denominator. As the object's velocity gets closer to the speed of light c, that denominator shrinks fast. At v equals c, the denominator becomes 0. The energy required becomes infinite. To push anything with mass to the speed of light, you'd need infinite energy, which is impossible. So right there, we hit the first wall. The laws of physics simply won't allow it. Section 2. What about light? Now let's talk about something that does move at the speed of light itself. Photons, the particles of light, are massless. That means the previous equation doesn't apply in the same way. Instead, we use this. For massless particles, m equals 0, and the equation becomes E equals pc. This means even though photons have no mass, they do have momentum. But how can something with zero mass carry momentum? The answer lies in light's dual nature. Light is both a particle and a wave. It doesn't need mass to carry energy. It does it through its oscillating electric and magnetic fields. And here's the twist. Photons don't accelerate to the speed of light. They're born moving at that speed. It's not a goal they reach. It's their default state. Section 3. Spacetime and the light cone. Let's imagine the spacetime diagram. An object at rest moves straight up, just through time. An object in motion? Its path tilts diagonally. It's moving through both space and time. Now look at this 45 degrees line. It represents an object moving at exactly the speed of light. That's the boundary, the light cone, the edge between what's possible and what's not. Any object with mass must stay inside that cone. Photons ride its edge. If you try to tilt past the edge, to move faster than light, you exit the light cone. And what lies beyond? Paradoxes. Why is c constant? You might wonder, why that speed? Why not faster? Turns out, the speed of light isn't just about light, it's about the structure of the vacuum itself. Mu is the permeability of free space. Epsilon is the permittivity of free space. These are properties of the vacuum, the electromagnetic fabric of reality. From them, the speed c naturally arises. So, c is not just the speed of light, it's the speed of cause and effect. Section 5. Causality and the speed of logic. And here's the final, mind-bending reason why nothing can go faster than light. Causality. Causality says that causes come before effects. It's the backbone of logic. But if information could travel faster than light, this breaks. Let me show you how. Person A sends a message to person B, 1 light year away, using a particle that moves at 10 times the speed of light. From his frame, the message arrives in 0.1 years. But a third observer, let's call them W, is moving between A and B. Using Einstein's equations, W may calculate that the message arrived before it was even sent. That's a violation of causality. The effect came before the cause. It means messages could be sent into the past, and if that's possible, we get paradoxes. The famous grandfather paradox is one of them, where you could go back in time and prevent your own existence. So, to protect causality, to keep the universe logical, the speed of light must remain the ultimate speed limit. Final thoughts, the speed of light is deeper than we think. The speed of light isn't just a number. It's a boundary. It prevents infinite energy scenarios. It defines the structure of spacetime. It ensures massless particles travel at exactly circa, and it safeguards the universe from logical chaos. So next time you see sunlight streaming through a window, remember, that beam of light is traveling not just at an incredible speed, but at the maximum speed reality allows. It's the speed of causality, the speed of consistency, and maybe the speed of truth itself.